Is a $10,000 hotel room really worth it compared to a $500 room? Let's find out in this Ultimate Hotel Room Challenge. Welcome to our $10,000 vs $500 hotel room challenge. Today, we'll experience both luxury and budget accommodations to see which one offers the best value. To compare these two hotel rooms, we'll look at several criteria: amenities, service quality, room comfort, and overall experience. Can a $10,000 room justify its price, or does the $500 room offer similar perks at a fraction of the cost? Let's dive in and find out. First up, the $10,000 hotel room. This suite offers opulent features like a private butler, stunning views, lavish decor, and exclusive amenities such as a private pool, gourmet dining, and personalized services. The experience promises unparalleled luxury and indulgence. Now, let's explore the $500 hotel room. While more modest, it offers a comfortable bed, clean and modern decor, essential amenities like Wi-Fi, a minibar, and complimentary breakfast. Service is friendly and efficient, providing a pleasant stay without the extravagance. Time for a direct comparison. The $10,000 room's luxurious extras, personalized service, and exclusive access to amenities create an unforgettable experience. However, the $500 room surprises with its comfort, cleanliness, and essential amenities, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune for a great stay. After experiencing both hotel rooms, the $10,000 suite offers unmatched luxury, but the $500 room provides excellent value with its comfort and essential amenities. Both have their merits, depending on your budget and preferences. What do you think about luxury vs budget accommodations? Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more exciting challenges.